Hello students, today we'll discuss this very interesting question from the chapter Biomolecules. This question includes the compound of glucose and this question has been asked in the JEE Mains 2018. So let's see what is the question. The question says glucose on prolonged heating with HI gives. So for the solution of this question, first we'll look at the structure of glucose. Four carbon atoms. Now as we can see, this is the structure of glucose. Now if we'll react with HI and we'll heat, so we'll get as far as HI is concerned, we know that HI is a very strong acid and it is a very strong reducing agent. So the I minus will attack here and H2O will be removed. Further in the reaction, the de-iodization will take place and I minus will be removed and H will be placed. So we'll find that the reaction is completed and n-Hexane is formed. This is a very basic and interesting question and you can find it directly in the NCERT also. So the right answer is n-Hexane. If you want to know more about the concept, so you can watch the related video on our website here. And if you want to see the concept in the respective book, so you can look at the chemistry part 2, 12th book, and you will find the respective concept on page number 413, line number 9. Thanks.